Welcome to a quick unboxing of a USB 3.0/2.0 to SATA/IDE hard drive converter. It's had a bit of a kicking in the post. Never put fragile on your parcels when you send them. There's no brand name on this product. It seems they use the one box for everything. I've ordered this one here, and this one says it comes with cloning software. It says it supports Windows 98, 2000 XP, Vista, Windows 7 and Mac OS. Let's look around the box. It costs about £13 on eBay. Looks like it's come from China. No brand name. Let's see what we get inside. You get the converter, which comes with 3.5 inch IDE, SATA 3.5 inch and IDE 2.5 inch. You get a power plug, which has got a Molex on one end. 5 volt and 12 volt, 0.5 amp. Oh, so that's got a Molex in it as well, and a USB 3 slot. That's what the back looks like. UK power plug, kettle kind, USB 3 cable, driver software, and an instruction manual on doing hardware cloning and software cloning. Alright, I'll give this a go and I'll come back with another video for a review.